Hello guys, it's me by Troy. Welcome back. We are on part 2 for camping, and it's already dark. So we're going to have our dinner here at the camping, and then we're going. That's my maid, and we're gonna brush our teeth and take a shower in the bathroom upstairs, and then we're going to be having a lot of fun. I don't know what's gonna happen here, but yeah.
Sleeping here.
I don't know, but I know that it's gonna be fun. Just look. So right now we're in our big tent. If you haven't watched part 1, then you should watch part 1. Ta-da! Table. So here I have my pillow. I just got it from the Christmas party. Also that one. But if we have one more, if I have one more sister or brother, it's gonna complete. We need the brown one. I can't remember what it's called. But so let me tell you what has went on. Let me put on my shoe. So we kind of stuff. we just moved the small tent to another place. So now we've brought tables and chairs up to have quite a nice time. We have some juice, some water, and then we're gonna have dinner up here, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
So they're gonna bring it up in small plates, and I'm looking forward to eating dinner first time up here. So it's basically like a TV room inside, but we're doing the camp outside on our balcony. As you can see, a balcony, not a real camping site. And we have been having a lot of fun. My sister just woke up just in time for the fun.